Alright, so hello everyone, welcome back to my again in my YouTube channel. And in today's video I am talking about Squarespace. Basically, in today's video we will talk about pros and cons of Squarespace. Squarespace is an e-commerce platform. Okay, let me know what we will discuss. Pros and cons of Squarespace. What website to use Squarespace for? Is Squarespace pricing? What are the Squarespace pricings? Okay. Is Squarespace easy to use? And Squarespace some templates and Squarespace business features. Squarespace uh, performance. Squarespace alternatives. Squarespace video review, Squarespace review, the final verdict, and Squarespace other questions. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. If you purchase via links on our site, we may receive affiliate commissions. So before logging into Squarespace, please kindly check the description box. Okay, now Squarespace review restrictive yet beautiful. इसके लिए तो white ही सही रहेगा यार. Is it white? Is yes, white is good. So let's get started. First of all, look the poster of the Squarespace. Okay, now Squarespace is mostly known for its professional looking templates, simplistic section based editor, and strong e commerce features that make the site building experience fast and effortless. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है. However, simplicity comes at price. Okay, now let's look into this. Now let's look into this that Squarespace is seen as a more premium price provider. Additionally, the design freedom is quite limited. Beautiful, nonetheless, but customized to get a degree. Okay. So to see whether Squarespace is worth your time, I have signed up and made my own website. I will put in a link later. And simply put, just you really enjoy the experience. If you are a small business owner looking for a quick way to promote something or to sell online fast, Squarespace is surely fit for the job. In this Squarespace review, I will be analyzing the provider, feature, pricing, easy to use, the variety of template, performance, and more. Here you can see all about that. I don't know why is my pen color is gonna black from that of the white. Okay, now basic part of the video is that what are the pros and cons of Squarespace. So first of all, we will be talking about the pros. Okay, over 1110 plus responses, all purpose templates, free SSL included with all the plans, unlimited storage and bandwidth, strong e-commerce platform, really easy to use. Now let's talk about cons. Limited design flexibility. Some business tools could be better fleshed out. Hey Mr. Rohit, what are you doing, bro? Actually, there is my friend Although the web design market is flooded with many companies that provide drag and drop site builders, one platform that have achieved a great success in Squarespace. Since its inception in 2004, millions of people have used Squarespace to create their website. In fact, some of the biggest brands in the USA have been used Squarespace from Target to HBO. Squarespace was founded in 2004 by Anthony, and the company was launched from Anthony dorm room at the University of Maryland. Squarespace is a website building company that has been around over a decade. They price themselves on giving people the tools to let them design their perfect website since its inception in 2004 and all these things. Here you can see all the matters that I put in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. We will talk you in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, bye, thanks.